boys and girls. Today we are going to be doing Lesson 3 application problem in Module 7. This is a multi-step word problem, so we are going to start at the top and we are going to go one step at a time. So Lesson 3 Part A says use the tally chart, which is this right here, to make a picture graph of the number of books read. So I went ahead and started our picture graph over here with the number of books read and this little dot to stand for one book. So we can look up here at Jose and we can say he read 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots for Jose. And for Laura, I'm going to do 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and next it says draw a tape diagram to show how many more books Jose read than Laura. So if I go over onto this side, I can start my tape diagram, and it's basically asking how many more books. So it's asking what the difference is. So I can go ahead and create my tape diagram here for Jose. And he read 8 books. And Laura read only 5. And it's asking us to find out how much this amount is here, the difference. So we can do that pretty easily in our head. We can do it by visually looking up here at our picture graph or our tally chart to see that Laura actually read 3 books less than Jose. So 8 minus 5 equals 3. Okay, next it says draw a tape diagram. Next it says if Jose, Laura, and Linda read 21 books altogether, how many books did Linda read? Okay, and we're trying to figure out how many books Linda read, and we know that together they read 21. So if we wanted to first find out how much Jose and Laura read together, we could just say 8 plus 5 equals 13. And now we know that 13 plus the number of books that Linda read is going to give us 21. Okay, so we've done a lot of this in our last module. One way we could do this, we could do we could skip count until we get to 21. We can do another tape diagram. I find it would be easiest to just take 21 and find the difference. So subtract 13 to get what our missing add-in is here. So again, I can't take 3 from 1, so I'm going to borrow from my tens place. So now I know 11 minus 3 is going to give me 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that gives me the number of books that Linda read. And I'm going to go ahead and record that over here on my picture graph. So I'm going to say she read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And as you can see, even though these aren't graphed in a perfectly equal graph, you can see that Jose and Linda have the same amount of books, read the same amount of books. So then it says also, we don't want to skip this last step here, it says complete the tally chart in the graph. So that means I'm going to go up here and I am going to make my tally chart match. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tallies over here for Linda. And that's it. But we're not quite finished because so far we are going to check off that we read, we drew, and now for our last step here, we need to write our equation answer. And I am going to start by saying that Jose read 3 more books and Laura, because that was the first part of our question. And Linda read 8 books as well.